I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SCS Sunday. In this video I'm gonna share my experience about the Sony radio. This is Sony AM and FM radio. I have purchased this radio 6 months ago. So in my previous video you can watch the video about the Sony FM radio along with JBL 3.1 bar, so you can feel what is the sound quality coming out from Sony radio. I think the Sony radio is very good and it's better than Philips radio. I have actually, my father has Philips radio, but in my opinion the Sony brand is the better than the Philips radio. So at first and you can purchase it from Sony Center or you can purchase it Amazon or online branded online shopping website. I have bought it rupees 1,300 in INR price, rupees 1,400. Sorry, 1,300 in INR price. So at first, let's start. You can get the 5.3 to 16 kilohertz in AM frequency, and you can get the 88 to 108 megahertz in FM frequency. And this radio has a big antenna, although you can need no antenna during when you are playing this radio. And the back side, this ribbon is coming along with this FM radio box, and in the back side this is a battery case. This is a battery case. When I open it, this is my rechargeable R6 model camera battery, and this battery power 1.2 volt, and this radio require 1.5 volt into 2 quantities batteries. So 1.5 into 2 equals to 3 volt require the power supply in this radio. So this battery has total current 1.2 into 2, so 2.4 volts, or actually current required 3 volts. But there is no problem when you are playing this radio using this rechargeable battery. You can use this camera rechargeable battery with FM radio, but you cannot get the actual sound from this radio when you are using these batteries. Just you will get the less sound from here. And this is the jack socket for personal listening, and this is the volume, and this is tune. This is tune, or this is the model name, FM/AM radio ICF P36. Okay, and now this is the tune indicator, and this is the battery indicator, and here you can see the band, the last section is off, second section is AM, and the last 3 ohm section are FM. And you can see the battery. This is the battery indicator, and there is no tune available in this radio correctly, so I tune it again. Yes, tune is perfectly tuned because the red indicator is this red indicator is not
में भी टेस्ट किया जाएगा और इसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा इंडिया की रोड्स के लिए भी ऐसी ही सेम सर्विसेज यूज करना। और आकाश, मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया के लिए ये
this is coming actually now it is coming for a right frequency. It indicated red light and it is a green light, so it is frequency.
कई फायदे उठा सकता है। And you know what, श्वेता, ऐसा सुनने में आ रहा है कि और भी बहुत सी कंट्रीज ने इस क्लॉक सिस्टम को पसंद करना शुरू कर दिया है और उनका ऐसा कहना है कि
this is the FM frequency, or you can get the second part, and I think you cannot listen the AM station. It's a local station, and the station is supplied by the government. Yes, tune is available. And when you now I'm changed the FM tune, just grab it in up section. And this is the sound quality. You can listen.
স্বরাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রী অমিত শাহর সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করেন। তিনি তাদের রাজ্যের পরিস্থিতি সম্পর্কে অবহিত করেন। এই নিয়ে তাদের মধ্যে বৈঠক হয়েছে। রাজ্যপাল তা নিয়ে অবশ্য সাংবাদিকদের কাছে বলেন। রাষ্ট্রপতি রামনাথ কোবিন্দ এবং প্রধানমন্ত্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদী প্রখ্যাত নাট্য ব্যক্তিত্ব গিরিশ কার্নাডের তথ্য সম্প্রচার মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা ব্যানার্জি মৃত্যুতে গভীর শোক ব্যক্ত করেছেন। জানানো হয়েছে
LED light. And you can listen to the sound quality of this radio.
জম্মু কাশ্মীরে 8 বছর বয়সী যাদবপুর বালিকার ধর্ষণ হত্যা মামলায় পাঠানকোট আদালত 7 জনের মধ্যে 6 জনকে দোষী সাব্যস্ত করেছে। শাস্তির মেয়াদ পরে ঘোষণা করা হবে। মাঝেরহাট ব্রিজ নির্মাণ কাজের সুবিধার্থে জলের পাইপলাইন বুধবার
Senator 54242. We would love to hear what you have to say. Here we go!
So okay, so if you want to experience about the JBL 3.1 bar along with Sony radio, so I have to suggest you just go to my other video. This video link is I provide you on the below comment box. So at the last moment of this video, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any question, please leave your question to the comment box. Take care, God bless you, bye bye.